So these are my cutting boards, and as you can see, they're a little used. They're definitely used. My pizza peel, and I got mineral oil to help really rejuvenate mine. So this one, you're just gonna put a generous amount with a soft clean, I'm gonna use microfiber, and we're gonna see how great this works. Haven't used it yet, so this will definitely be my first time. But when I got this one too, it is food safe. Trick, you just poke a hole and actually it becomes much easier to use. So we're gonna see how this works. So as you can see, it's truly bringing my cutting boards back to life. It actually, the mineral oil helps protect everything and keep the wood moisturized, so I can get much more use, and this will actually dry into it. So when you do it too, I am gonna get the sides, I'm gonna get underneath. So a little bit does go a long way. As you can see, it creates a super glossy finish. And you can see my cutting board is still very used. So let's do it on this one. We'll see how this one goes. This one definitely gets wet more often, since this is part of like my workspace for my sink. Now this will soak into it after a few hours, and I'll be ready to use again. So I'm gonna just completely coat this. You could see the grain just soaking up the oil. Yeah. These look brand new out of my pizza peel, which I love making my own pizza, so this is very, very used. And the wood definitely needs it. It says to you, if you need extra, I would put a little bit and let it absorb as it goes. This can also be used on furniture, any other wood surface you have, butcher block countertops, because you definitely want to make sure you're oiling your wood so it doesn't dry and split. But for me, the 100% mineral oil for cutting boards, as you can see, it just works so beautifully.